if you look at Find a Grave pictures, I feel like there's some from the early 2010s that show it still on top of the brick. But there's obviously 4 graves here, 4 children's graves. 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4th one right there. So I don't know. I have to look back at Find a Grave. Oh no, there's 7. There's 7 total. There's my card. 7 graves total. So there's 4, 5, 6, and then there's some brick back there. That must be the 7th. So Benjamin F. Whatley must be this grave here. And then let's go around, get a look from the other angle. It's so amazing to think these bricks from the 1860s. But yes, here's the other grave. You can tell I would have stepped on it if I didn't know about it. Because you can see the brick there and the brick there, and it's just leaves on top in the middle. So I gotta wiggle my way around. Damn, there's brick there. I hope I don't fucking step on anyone. There we are. So these are the children's graves from the other side. And this is the grave of Benjamin F. Whatley, who was the infant son of whoever the Whatley man was. I don't know very much at all about this family, where their house was. I'm very curious as to where their house was. This was supposedly their homestead. And so their house would have been nearby, supposedly. And I don't know if there's any ruins, anything like that remaining. I'd be very curious to find out, but he had multiple children die. I don't know how old Jesse was when he died, but his grave is longer. Jesse's the one with the broken slab, broken tombstone, so very interesting stuff. I don't know where the house was. I'm going to try to do more research on this cemetery and put some stuff in the captions. In captions, I mean. Ah, shit, fucking split. And in this grave,